Being in the art world is not easy. Being an entrepreneur in the art world is not easy. And so you have to have that constant drive and push to just do it. I'm Kreneshia Whiteside-McGee. I majored in anthropology at ETSU and my minor was art history. ETSU and really the city of Johnson City, there's this community aspect to it, and that really drew me to the campus, and its approachability. I was able to discover who I was as a person, but also grow. My degree in anthropology definitely prepared me as far as learning how to not only research different cultures, but how to research them with respect. I have to relay the message of the artist, so I have to understand what it is that they're saying and then translate it to the public. If a patron or a person enters a gallery or a museum and they leave the same way that they came in, I didn't do my job. So I have to ensure that something changes within them. Even if they don't like the art, if you're talking about it when you leave, I did my part. With my exhibitions, I like to bring different art forms into one space to concentrate on one topic, not only to bring power to the message and to really amplify it, but I understand that not everybody's moved by the same work. So it's better to have variety so you get to speak to different learners and still address a message and still create an impact as one and together. Culture and Co Museum. So this is my baby, this is my dream. And by the 10th or 11th grade, that's when I knew I want my own museum. It's gonna be based and inspired on how I curate. So different forms of art coming together to address the same topics. Curation is me, like it fits me perfectly, but the museum has still been the goal. I'm super excited. Art is just such a vulnerable and expressive medium that it creates these conversations that need to be had. And so in my career, I want to make sure to bring those important conversations to the forefront. I want to make sure to really elevate artists that are pushing for better because it's just needed. I have a book that says art is the highest form of hope. That inspires direction and inspires not just ideas, but ideas of change, how we can be better, confronting what we're doing wrong. It creates these conversations that need to be had. Change, love, and hope. That's what I hope for.